measure, wash, cook and serve perfectly fluffy rice and grains in one set. Comprises of 2 liters cooking pot, colander, measuring cup and multi-purpose rice paddle. Rice paddle can lock the pot lid whilst providing 2 convenient carrying handles. Paddle also can be used as a spoon for fluffing and serving cooked rice. Dishwasher safe. M-Cuisine is a range of highly functional cookware that enables you to produce delicious, home-cooked food with ease in your microwave oven. All of the products in the range have been designed with convenience in mind, and this is reflected in the multiple functions and ergonomics of each item. With M-Cuisine you can enjoy everything from a simple poached egg right up to a complete family meal. Go seamlessly from packet to table with this specially designed microwave rice cooker. This thoughtful design provides all the tools necessary to measure, wash, cook and serve fluffy rice and grains. It comprises a large 2 liters cooking pot with lid, a colander, a measuring cup and a multi-purpose rice paddle that simultaneously locks the lid closed for cooking and also provides 2 convenient carry handles. To use, simply measure the desired quantity of rice or grains into the colander and then rinse and drain. Place the colander into the cooking pot, add the correct quantity of water and then secure the lid on top using the rice paddle. Fluff the rice or grains with the rice paddle before serving. Dishwasher safe. All the products in the M-Cuisine range are suitable for all power ratings in domestic microwaves. The power rating, wattage, specified on the packaging is for guidance only. All microwaves vary, please adjust the cooking time to suit your appliance. Top reviews from the United States. So many more uses than rice. Stock pot when not in use. I use it to steam veggies and to make perfect rice that needs no attention. Got one for my son's only the basics first apartment. He uses the insert as a colander, the pot without the steamer as his microwave bowl for easy rice mix, quick grits, easy oats and reheating cause it's tall and doesn't boil over. He also keeps leftovers in it in the fridge. He doesn't have big Tupperware, the lid holds down the foil and it's more compact and secure than his previous solution. A pot with a lid in the fridge, the measuring cup and flat spoon are a bonus since they take up no extra space too. 2 notes, my old weak microwave takes more time and a splash more water than the instructions. Took me 3 tries to get rice perfect. And it's no joke getting it out of microwave. Observe the wait time after cooking and use mitts.